Assalamu alaikum friends, you can see this. We have installed a new Weighbridge which is owned by Lahore Airport. Its size is 60 feet by 10 feet, so today I will tell you about it in full detail. And as you can see, we are working underwater. I will also tell you the reason why we work it. Friends, let me tell you about before starting the video. In our channel all kind of wing scale or indicator calibration, wing indicator repairing, load cell repairing and the cost of wing scale is mentioned. If you have any kind of question about wing scale, then you can ask us. If you are new in our channel and you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then quickly subscribe that or press the bell icon so that over every new video can reach you easily. And if you have benefit from this video at all, then don't forget to like this video. Friends, you can see that under the foundation that we made, we have dropped it there. Their modules that we drop under this foundation, now we are going to level it. We put it in Jerry Donata near to Lahore Airport. So friends, now we will lift it up from below and water level it and complete the sides of all foundations. So friends, you can see it has rained a lot here. So we have installed the platform, but the water under it has become very salty, which is why we have to work under the water. You can see that the motor we have planted, that which is drawing water out. You can see that the water is coming out of it very slowly. Firstly we wait it, but now we start work underwater today. You can see we work in underwater. After water level it, we install a load cell in it. So friends, after installing the load cell, we will show you in full detail.